Baby, yet walk as you know, so na English about she may more name senior war my Ghana Her Excellency Harry Thompson. Now, what Bogana, Rashabiga for Basupa, or Bill na, and then one more pass here, sir, a man penny for ye bought one more equadruno, a tour intra, na, and nay, what boy Remo Ewagambaga, which is Campo Hall, and no one could even come out already, a cost or no, then semi, etuja.
It's an honor to have a person of your caliber taking time off your heavy schedules to call on the people of the Northeast region. But just to let you know that this is quite a very young region with a lot of challenges in our pursuit for development. It is because of those challenges that the people and the chiefs ask for the region, so that if we decentralize power closer to the people, we may be able to better prosecute our development agenda.
I'm sorry to be coming at such a difficult time for this region. My heartfelt condolences, those of my staff, my team as well, on the loss that you have experienced as a result of the recent floods, the loss of life, of course, but also the loss of livelihoods. We recognise that the northern regions of Ghana experience more difficult, more challenging human development outcomes and less economic development than the rest of Ghana.